There are a variety of ways to heat your home. You can heat with propane, fuel oil, natural gas, electric, or even geothermal. If you're heating with propane or fuel oil, you'll probably are in the most expensive way to do it, and you might want to take a look at a geothermal system or a hybrid heat system for heating your home. Even if you have natural gas, a hybrid heat system might be the most efficient way to heat your home. Another option to consider on heating your home is whether you want two-stage equipment or modulating equipment. And a brief explanation on that is two-stage equipment will allow the furnace to operate, or the boiler, any heating unit, to operate in a lower capacity, meaning that if the home doesn't require the full capacity of the equipment to heat it at that particular time, then it will run in a reduced capacity, saving you money on your energy bills. Modulating furnaces are much the same way. They have many steps that they can run in, and they will tailor the heat output to the conditions outside to heat that home. The most popular option for heating your home is just a straightforward gas furnace. And the newer gas furnaces are either 80 or 90% efficient. If you have a furnace in your home that was made, maybe 20, 25 years ago, it might only be 70%. The older it is, the less efficient it probably was when it was made. The basic differences is between an 80% and a 90% furnace is 80%, you'll know you have one because it vents through your chimney or through some metal pipe. 90% furnaces, they can vent through PVC, usually either out the side of the house or out through your roof. They're able to do that because the 90% furnace has a secondary heat exchanger in it, which allows a little better heat transfer process. So it extracts a little more heat out of the heat exchangers. That's the basic differences between the two. Then you can go into, each one has a single stage. And what that means is when the burner comes on, it runs full blast for all the time that it's running. There's two-stage, and what that is in mild temperatures, it may only run in 2/3 of its capacity. So how does that help you? Is if it's, say, 50 degrees outside and you need a little heat in your home, the furnace comes on, but only in 2/3 of the capacity. So if you have a 100,000 BTU furnace to heat your home, now you only have a 60,000 BTU furnace heating your home. You're saving that much gas. Third option in furnaces is variable speed, and that's usually done in conjunction with a two-stage equipment. Variable speed refers to the blower that's in there. That variable speed blower will match the airflow to the heating condition that's required. So that's a great option to have. Another nice feature about variable speed is it allows you to circulate the air throughout your home all the time, helping keep even temperatures and keep filtering that air. Another option for heating is a hybrid heat system. Hybrid heat, while it's not new, it's becoming very popular in Michigan with the increasing cost of gas. And all the hybrid heat is simply a gas furnace paired with a heat pump. This is a heat pump right here. They're a little larger than a traditional air conditioner, but what this does is when it gets into the heating season and it's in mild temperatures, it will just simply run in reverse and heat your home that way instead of burning gas to do that. Very economical option for anybody that has gas for their fuel supply. Another option for heating your home is boilers. It's been a very popular option for 100 years, and boilers do a very nice job of heating your home. They produce a nice warm heat throughout the home. In conjunction with boilers, you can have in-floor heat. In-floor heat is simply using a boiler to heat the home, but instead of having the radiators around the outside of the wall, you have tubing that runs through your floor, and that tubing has the warm water passing through there. You can imagine that's very comfortable on your feet. If you have a small area and you want to have in-floor heat off that, you can do that with a water heater also. So it is available in a couple of different options. If you want to see what in-floor heat looks like, please feel free to stop by our office. Our whole office area is heated with in-floor heat. Geothermal is another option for heating your home, and it is the most efficient way that you can heat your home. It uses the temperature from the earth to heat and cool your home year-round, and you can't get any cheaper than a free source of energy like that. All it's required is the electricity to circulate the water and to circulate the air through your home. runs through, you have a loop that can be installed in a pond. That loop can be installed horizontally underground, or if space is a consideration, it can even be installed vertically just by simply drilling wells down to install that loop. But you can't get any more efficient than a geothermal system.